In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lightbox pop-up in Wix, whether you want to grab your visitor's attention, show an announcement, or highlight an important message. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix editor and go to the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're there, look for the Add button and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, and then click on Pop-up. You'll see several pop-up styles that help you create engaging Lightbox pop-ups for your website. Follow the on-screen options and choose the pop-up design that fits your needs. Once you've added the pop-up, customize it by changing the background and adding your message. After that, it's also a good idea to preview your site to make sure the pop-up works correctly before publishing. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a Lightbox pop-up in Wix easily and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.